How to get hint in Horror Tale 2. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get hints. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here on the left top you can see this idea icon. Tap on this idea icon. Now here you can directly have ideas by simply tapping on this video lock button. So here you must watch different advertisements, and later after doing that the game will automatically give you the hints of what you should do next. So it will even locate the location where the items will be found and where they can be used. So it is quite easy when you use advertisement and hints like this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.